Hey guys, welcome back to the Jack Homestead. I'm Chris. It's that time of year, guys. Mowing season has started, or has almost started. So I'm gonna get my mower deck out and check it out, make sure things are good to go, and get it hooked up, and we'll go from there. So stick around. I hope you enjoy the video. As always, I'm going to check my fluids in my tractor. Make sure everything's good to go. Dave, I hope this is up to your standards, my friend. There's a gentleman I watch on YouTube. His name is Dave. He has a YouTube channel called the RAC Polar Express and does a lot of maintenance Mahindra stuff. Looks good. Though my tractor's not as quite as clean as his is, but it works good. Check the hydrostatic transmission fluid level. I don't see anything in the thing there. Let's check out our filter, air filter. Oh, man, they really do put that on there. I have to get a screwdriver. I can get this off. Oh, like that. Oh, hang on. I gotta go check my chickens out. They're making a ruckus. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Rooster got stuck in the mama chickens. How in the heck does this come off? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, it looks pretty good. good. Shot. Make my front end fluids. I really need to put a flashlight down in here. I don't have one. Use my phone, I guess. I need some. There we go. There we go. I don't know why that was almost empty. I don't understand that. I ain't got no leaks. So yeah, this thing needs a good cleaning, so let's start her up. Put this stuff away. Normally I'd have gloves on, but I don't. All right, there we go. My machine's got 265 hours on it. Now we'll be doing a 2-year review on this here coming up here pretty quick. I think the beginning of the month was my 2-year anniversary. connectors. Let me bring you over here. I'll show you the fittings on this that need to be greased. So there's a fitting here, one here. This is for the extension, and I don't think there's any here. Oh, and there's one here for your pulley tightener or tensioner or whatever they call it. And then this here, that's to fill the gearbox on this. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed last year, I had some issues with my mower deck. The gearbox would blow apart off of the off from the deck itself like 3 times. And of course, you know, first time I was like, it's okay, you know, I don't know what's going on here. Second time, no, I wasn't having this, so I took it back. Beers. I wouldn't go there to buy a fucking piece of toilet paper. So anyway, long story short, we got a hold of the company. The company got a hold of the sales rep for Mahindra up here. Took it back not once but twice, and fixed the deck. Beers charged me $4,000 for this deck, and there's no way there's $4,000 worth of parts and materials in here. So I don't know. Anyway, so Mahindra rep, I can't remember his name. I have it in my phone, but I'm using that to record. But yeah, I'll find it in the video here. So I'm going to get this greased up, and then we're going to look underneath her. All right. And that's pretty much it for when you're greasing the when you grease these. Now we're gonna take a look at it from the other side here. See if I got some 2x4 I can put up, so that when I lift this up, I don't know, it's gotta go to the other side. Yeah, I gotta go on the other side. look too bad at all. Nope, don't look too bad at all at all. Right. Doesn't look too bad. Of course, I only used it one time there in the fall, early winter, just to show you guys up top. So we'll be right back. Yeah, not too bad. See if I can get you under there to see where I lined her up. Not too bad. Put my knee pads on. This old man's knees on the ground ain't cool. And there's that part. Ta-da-da! Now this should be able to lower. That's as far down as it goes. There's the other one, the same. See, they're not the same. That nut right there, and I'll show you the other side, are not the same. One's higher than the other. So hang on. So this goes like so, and this goes like so, and then you pull. There we go. There. Now I should be able to raise that up. Hang on a second. Sorry about that, guys. I loosened that bolt up. Okay, man. The bottom of the wheels, or wait a minute, this is, yeah, the bottom of the wheels here, there should be a 1/2 inch clearance. So there should be, boy, that'd be kind of hard to, oop. Go this way with it. There should be a 1/2 inch between this part of the wheel and the deck. So let's check it out. And there's okay. That looks pretty good right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're in number 4 hole. And by the looks of things, from the ground to this part should be 1 inch. Should be. So I did was I adjusted to that so that I'm on about 2.5 according to this. That brings my deck up. These wheels will spin free. You want the grass to move them, not the ground, because that causes the deck to grab the ground and causes tension between the I don't know what you want to call the brackets underneath to shift side to side. If you're turning, it'll push on it, tension on that, and then that also in turn puts tension on the gearbox. And in turn will break the bolts and everything like happened to me. So we're gonna go outside and check this out. Okay guys, we're back. I did some other adjustments on this while I got it out here. Because remember, you want these to spin freely when your mower deck is down in the correct height that you want to mow at. So I changed that height lever or knob, height lever knob to 3. So now that when it goes down, these are going freely. So I'll show you when I'm mowing. I probably could lower this one more, which I might do. You want that to move freely. So let's give her a shot and see what happens when we mow. So when I start off, I'm going to bring this up and then lower it to the ground before I start my PTO. And when I start my PTO, I want to have it in the lowest RPMs and then raise it up to the appropriate RPMs for mowing. Here we go. you should adjust this type of mower deck on any of your equipment. If you do not have a free floating mower deck to where the wheels pivot or turn as the tractor turns, remember, you want to keep these wheels so they're just touching the grass. Of course, when you go over your terrain, sometimes it'll touch, but what it's there for the purpose of is scalping purposes, and also so that you do not grab the ground as you're turning and causing the deck to push, and in turn causing stress on the undercarriage that carries the mower deck and on the gearbox itself, which will end up breaking bolts, blowing the gearbox apart, ruining, you could possibly ruin your PTO drive and your shaft. So just remember that, okay guys? I'll have some drone footage of me mowing the yard here. It won't be today, probably tomorrow, and we'll see you then, okay? Thanks for coming along, thanks for watching. Again, if you would, please subscribe. New guys and new gals that are watching today, please subscribe to our channel. And for those who are on our channel that are already subscribed, I appreciate it. Your support and all that other good stuff in your comments. If you got any questions or anything, I can try to answer them. If not, we'll find the answer for you. If you got any ideas for me, feel free to chat, put it down below, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys here shortly as I do a drone footage of me mowing our yard here at the Jack Homestead. And until then, I wish you a blessed day and be safe. And you know, we need kindness. Be kind to one another. We need a lot today. So have a good one. Oh, I do have a question. Dave, if you can answer this, or anybody. I've tried to grease underneath my forward and reverse pedal, and it still will get, it'll stick sometimes. Not all the way forward, but just enough to move the machine if I don't have it pushed down. Is there any way of adjusting that? Like I said, I greased down under there where the pivoting is, and if you could, just let me know, and we'll talk at you later. Thanks, Dave. Bye.
so clear you never say. When I came near, you ran away. It's not so clear you never say. When I came near, you ran away. It's not so clear you never say. When I came near, you ran away. It's not so clear you never say.
Well, guys, the mower did great with the correct setup I put on there. From what Cameron was his name from Mahindra Tractor. He's a sales rep for Mahindra Tractor. Cameron, I want to thank you very much for the heads up and the correct direction in which to go. So I didn't do the whole yard. I just did the upper top part of thing here. I hope you guys enjoy the drone footage of it. And listen, if you guys are going to buy a tractor, no matter what make, model, I don't care if you spend $10 or if you spend $1 million, make sure you do your research on that particular dealer. Yes, they'll wine and dine you to get you to buy that tractor, but service is the biggest key, and customer assistance after the sale. So remember that. I had a bad experience. I'll link some of the videos in here, up here somewhere. But again, make sure that you guys do your research on buying a tractor, a dealership that has good service and good customer service. It's imperative, or you will have the worst. It'll be the worst experience you'll ever have, like it was for me. I was almost ready to turn this tractor back into them, but I'm glad I didn't. Like I said, Cameron hooked me up and introduced me to, I want to say it's Gleason's, I think, or Motorsports down in the Great Bend area in Pennsylvania. Again, they did an awesome job on correcting my tractor, and I want to thank Mahindra for taking care of the bill for all that, and that includes the service that they did on it. And again, Cameron, I appreciate it. Thanks again. And Dave, I hope you see my little thing there about the forward and reverse on that pedal there about how getting it not to stick and how to lube it up and all that. So anyway, y'all have a good evening. Be safe and enjoy the rest of your week. We'll have more videos to come. Meat birds will be coming. Garden work, yard work. Going to be falling some trees down here to sell, hopefully, and for firewood for maple syrup season 2025. So, oh, and I'll have a maple syrup video on the Sugar Shack cleanup and the my flat pan cleanup. What I learned from some friends of mine that live in Canada that we go to visit every year in May. So until then, God bless. Be kind to one another. We need a lot of that. And we'll chat with you guys later. Thanks for watching.